Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to align all items horizontally using the justify items property. Sometimes you want all the items in your CSS grid to share the same alignment. You can use the previously learned properties and align them individually, meaning like write it in on each individual item, but that would be silly. That's better to do things where you can, it's called dry. Do not or don't repeat yourself. Dry code is best. So instead of writing in there justify items center, it's better to just find a way to do it throughout the whole thing. That's what we're going to do. The property, this property can accept all the same values you learned about in the previous two challenges. The difference being that it will move all the items in our grid to the desired alignment. Use this property to center all our items horizontally. Okay, cool. So we want to, I think what we're going to do, okay, well notice now we're in the container class. We're not in the item class. In the last few lessons, we've been doing justify self within the items, but now we're moving into the container class. And we're going to say justify items, and they want us to do it to the center. And so now all of these are going to be centered. And obviously if we were to do, or additionally, if we put them on the end, they'd be at the end of there. And then the other options start, and they'd be at the start of their boxes. But for our purposes today, we want to put it in the center. If we run the test, we see they pass. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next lesson.